this recognition. It truly means a lot. I actually want to thank a few people. First, of course, I'd like to thank you guys sa lahat ng sumusuporta, sa lahat ng pagmamahal nyo. Grabe, maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, to my ABS-CBN family, the bosses, thank you so much. My team, my family, Mom, I know you're here. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. And of course, Moto, thank you. Lastly, Father God Almighty, thank you. I hope I continue to inspire other people with the talents you've given me. Thank you.
Ayun, sinabi mo na ata lahat. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Paano ba?
Love you, Bingo!
I love you too. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po, Guillermo Foundation, for this award. It's so nice to be sharing this with you. And support this natin. Siyempre, to God be the glory always. Salamat po sa sumuporta ng Can't Buy Me Love. We love you guys very much and have an amazing night. Thank you.
Tita tayo tatlo ni Belly.
Tita.
Mother.
Happy Mother's Day.
Ako sa Danila. Happy Mother's Day. Tita Singapore pa.
They just arrived. So I'm going straight there. Ang ganda mo lang.
Ay, ikaw.
Hindi remember mo sa kapon din ng isipin. May yung kagabi.
Oo. Lagi ka na dyan eh.
Lagi sa ABR.
Tandaan nyo.
Happy birthday! balloon! Bell balloon! Wala pasok po ka? Wala! Pasok pero para sa'yo. Happy birthday!